Edo NUJ don honour Governor Godwin Obaseki for im ogbonge method of leadership and for all im achievements for Edo State. People's Democratic Party (PDP) candidate for September 19, 2020 governorship election wey still be Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don receive award as the most innovative governor for year 2019, and na Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) na im knack am dis ogbonge award. Also on the ogbonge deve wey im don carry enter Edo State on top job creation, healthcare, education sector, infrastructural deve and plenty others. Chairman for Edo NUJ Roland Osakwe na im present the award to Governor Obaseki for Edo State Government House wey dey Benin City. He tok say the union present this ogbonge award give the governor to thank am for the ogbonge work wey im don do for Edo State. The chairman come still use the opportunity to thank Governor Obaseki wey he take appoint one of their own, Efe Stewart, as Commissioner for Information for Edo State.
We have seen the infrastructural development your government is doing in Edo State. We have seen all the work and the things you have been doing, particularly on roads and building. We are very much happy with that. The pensioners that used to come on protest to our premises, I will tell you now that it's a thing of the past because we no longer see them. Sometimes they just come, they say, they are very happy with the new government because they get their money as advent due. The civil servants' salary, we are also pleased about that.
Governor Godwin Obaseki, after he don receive the award, come thank the union for the award. As he talk, say he no use money buy am, but na im good work for Edo State na im make NUJ present him with this ogbonge award. He talk say im administration dey diligent, committed and dedicated to carry Edo State go better place.
The opposition today understands the difficulties and the uphill task they face, and therefore are not confident enough that if we have a peaceful environment and go for an election today, they don't have the confidence that they will win and succeed because they know where the sympathies of the people are. So their strategy, rather than trying to persuade and win over people, and unfortunately they don't have much records to do so, is to first wage a war of massive and very vicious propaganda. You know, when somebody tells you they have done nothing, right? And you sit in this hall and you look around you and say, wow, if this is not something, then, then what is something? So their first plan is to invest in vicious and vile propaganda. And their next is to put fear, intimidation, and scare people from coming out to exercise their franchise, their rights. And by the grace of God, they will not succeed. Because if anything, people are a lot more conscious of what's going on than they give them credit for. We continue to appeal to the federal government. We do not have the police under our control. We do not have the military under our control. These are all federal government agencies. And they have promised, as part of their intimidation tools, that they will use these federal government agencies to intimidate us. And you can see it already. When they come out, in total disregard of existing court orders, existing, court pronouncements, and just behave as if there's no law. They behave so lawlessly because they know that nothing will happen, or they believe that nothing will happen. And that if we even dare to challenge them, they'll throw the state into anarchy and postpone the elections. They don't have anything to lose because they're already down. So for us, we continue to pray, we continue to appeal to all of you and to the international community that to please plead with the opposition party to let peace reign in the land. Let Edo people be. Let them be able to express themselves. So I hope that you will join all well-meaning Nigerians to please make that plea that we want a safe Edo. We are in government. We cannot be the ones killing our people. If they want to come into government, then they must understand what the people want and see how they can persuade the people to believe them and vote for them on the 19th of September.
This one are the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo NUJ don honour Governor Godwin Obaseki for him ogbonge method of leadership and for all him achievements for the state. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edogogo Edolegi.